Hello everyone. Today we are here with another success story for one of our Kabayans, Mr. Rachel. He is from the Philippines and within 3 months he has received his France work permit. He has received 2,150 euro salary. Congratulations, sir. I would like you to share your experience with us. How was your experience with Navigate Migrate? Please give it in your language.
Hello, magandang araw po sa mga kababayan ko Pilipino. Ako'y nagintay ng almost 3 months para sa aking work permit. Ako'y natutuwan, papasalamat ako especially sa Navigate Migrate at kay Sir Camran na naging successful po yung aking paghihintay and the long wait is over. I'm very, very glad. I'm very, very happy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.